Hey guys, what's up? Today I have big news about Samsung. So first of all, as you can see on the screen, here are the official back render of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Thanks to the Twitter leakster Avleaks. And with that, we also got our first official look at the new lilac purple color. Recently, Samsung uploaded a teaser image about Galaxy S9 in which Samsung says that the camera is reimagined and the 9 symbol is in purple color. But I just say about teaser that Samsung might be launch a new color which is purple. But after that, leaks surfaced online which says that Samsung might be launch a new color which is purple, but it is available in limited edition. But thanks to the leaks with that render which says that Samsung launched a new color, and as you can see on the screen, this is the color which is lilac purple, and with that the midnight black, coral blue and titanium gray are also the colors of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. And now talk about the official back render of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. And as you can see on the screen here on the left, the super idle Galaxy S9 Plus with dual main cameras. Below the cameras, here is the fingerprint scanner. And as you can see, a little bit space left between the cameras and the fingerprint scanner for more comfortable placement of the fingerprint scanner. And on the right side of the cameras, here is flash and heart rate sensor is placed. And on the bottom of the cameras and fingerprint scanner, here is Samsung logo on it, and the Galaxy S9 Plus indication. And on the right, here is the regular S9 which is 5.8 inches with single main camera along with fingerprint scanner. Here is also a little bit space left between the cameras and the fingerprint scanner. Same as well Galaxy S9 Plus for more comfortable placement of the fingerprint scanner. And on the right side of the camera, here is also a flash and heart rate sensor, and below the cameras and fingerprint scanner, Samsung logo and Galaxy S9 indication as well. And as you can see on the screen here on the left of the phones, a little bit dumb shows that the power button is placed, and on the right side here is volume rocker and the Bixby button is placed. Now guys, the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus upper to bottom leaked online with memory configurations, camera apertures, screen sizes, official colors, and apparently this might be the last Galaxy S series phone. Wait, what? Yes, you heard me right, that this is the last Galaxy S series phone. The huge rumor coming out of China claims that Samsung might be considering the changing scheme of its S series phone. After so many years, I mean from S1 to S9, there is no skipping at all, full line phones, unlike the Note series where they skip Note 6 and discontinue Note 7 for the exporting reasons. But yes, sources from South Korea claim that Galaxy S9 flagship that will be launched this year will be the last Galaxy S series phone. So now say goodbye to a letter S and the 10th anniversary of a Galaxy phone which will get released in 2019 will be called as Galaxy 10 with the letter X. It's kinda look like Samsung Galaxy X, but it's not called Samsung Galaxy X, it's called Samsung Galaxy 10. It's surely inspired by Apple, but Samsung do a perfect thing at this moment. If Samsung launched Samsung Galaxy S10, S11, S12 and so on, it creates some confusion. If Samsung launched Samsung Galaxy X2, X3, X4 and so on, it clears the doubt, it clears the confusion, and this might be the perfect thing which Samsung do. And also I have a concept of Galaxy 10 aka Galaxy X. Make sure to subscribe for the daily tech videos, and if you guys enjoyed this video then thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the upcoming daily tech videos, and also a click on bell icon, and I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.